Welcome traders. Have you ever looked at a financial market chart and felt completely lost, like it's written in a foreign language? Well, today we are decoding the basics of candlesticks. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to read candlesticks, whether you are trading stocks, crypto, or forex. Let's dive in. These are the outline of the things you will learn. Number 1, meaning of candlestick charts. 2, 4 key price points. 3, anatomy of candlesticks. 4, basic single candlestick interpretation. 5, common basic patterns. What are candlestick charts? Candlestick charts are a popular type of financial charts used in technical analysis to represent price movements of assets like stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies over a specific time period. Let's look at the 4 key price points. There are 4 key price points. Number 1, let me write 4 key price points. Then number 1, we have open. Open is priced at the start of the period. Number 2 is high, which is the highest price reached. Number 3 is low, lowest price reached. Then number 4 is close, price at the end of the period. So we'll look at it one by one. Let's go back to the drawing of the candle so that we'll be able to explain everything. In this structure here, we have the bullish candle and the bearish candle, and this is the anatomy of the candlestick. We are going to pick them one by one and interpret each point. Here in this bullish candle, we have the body. Here is the body of the bullish candle. This point to this point is the body of the bullish candle. Then the same thing applies to the bearish candle. The body is from here to here. So the body of the candle is the thick rectangular part showing the range between open and close. If you see it now, you see the open and close here, the open and close. So this rectangular part, which shows the range between the open and close, is known as the body of the candle. Then the next part we are going to look at under anatomy of candlestick is the wick. Here is the wick, this upper part. Wick can also be called shadow. So this one and this one are 2 wicks. The wick of the bullish candle and the wick of the bearish candle. So these two now are the wicks, the upper wick. Then how do you define a wick? You can see that this wick is just the thin line above and below the body, showing high and low. So this one is thinner, then the body is thicker. So you have the thin line both above and below the body. That's the wick of the candle. So in bullish candle, you have your open here. The candle opens here and closes here. Here is the lowest for the specific time period, and here is the highest that price has gone for the specific time period. Assuming this candle represents the daily candle, so this becomes the high of the day and this point becomes the low of the day. This low here becomes the low of the day and this side becomes the high of the day. The same thing applies for this bearish candle. The candle opens here and it closes here. This becomes the low of the day and this becomes the high of the day. For a bullish candle, it closes on the top, while a bearish candle closes on the bottom. You have to take note of that. So let's move. We have basic single candle interpretation. As you can see, this is a long bullish candle. It shows strong buying pressure, which indicates that buyers dominated. When this rectangular part is large enough, it's showing that the buyers are leading. But in this other one, this bearish one, you can see that a long bearish candle shows a strong selling pressure, which shows that sellers dominated. So you have to take note of that. This is under the interpretation of candles. We also have another candle with small body. Assuming we reduce the body of this candle, let's assume we did something like this. I have this thing with small body like this. We have another type of candle that is in this form, small body. Let me reduce the candle, show small body. This kind of candle now shows indecision. This is a candle that shows indecision. The body is just small. It shows indecision or low volatility. We have another one with long wick. Let's extend the wick. Let's extend the wick. And if this wick is very high like this, it shows rejection of high or lower prices. Or let's demonstrate something. If we have this bullish candle here with a high wick, with this long wick, it shows a rejection. It means that sellers pushed price down. That is exactly what it means. Let's quickly move to common basic patterns. We have Doji. Doji open and close are virtually equal. That's very small body. It indicates indecision in the market, often a potential reversal signal when appearing after a trend. So here is a doji. These two candles here, they have small body and long wick. So the wicks are long, but the bodies are small. So this particular type of candle is called Doji. Let's move to the next one. This is another pattern. In this place we have the hammer and the hanging man. As you can see this encircled place, there is this candle that looks like a hammer here. Look at it here. And there is another one on top of this place that looks like hammer. So it formed a pattern. It has this pattern is bullish reversal pattern, and it is caused by this hammer-like candlestick. It has small body at the top, long lower wick. This wick should be at least 2 times the body before you can call it a hammer. It can have little or no upper wick. Even if you have small wick on top, it's still a hammer, but it should be small. It can have little or no upper wick. This pattern usually appears after a downtrend, suggesting buyers rejected lower prices. We have another one, which is hanging man. Hanging man, which shows bearish reversal, has similar shape but appears after an uptrend, suggesting potential top. So this is just it. Let's go back to our drawing. From this place now, you can see that candlestick is very, very important. Once you understand all these things depicted on the diagrams here, you will be able to read charts. Let me take you to live chart and show you some things. Let's move to live chart. Here is a live chart showing candlestick. We have this candlestick here. We can change the time frame. This is 4-hour time frame. If you switch to 4-hour time frame candlestick, each candle now will be a 4-hour. It will be a 4-hour candle. It's going to represent 4 hours. So when you click it, one candle now is 4-hour candle. If you switch to 1 hour, one candle becomes 1 hour. So this is 1 hour, another 1 hour. It takes 1 hour for this candle to open and close. Then it takes another 1 hour for the next candle to open and close. So that's it.